That's meant to be lifted raw though. Let it walk on its own. Oh no!
Wow!
This is Marie and Ella's puppy. Just wait for him to stand up. And basically the different colours make him do stuff. And if you press here, it makes he just poops. Also, he likes to play with his ball. Sad. He likes to play with his ball. Oh no, he's angry. He likes to play with his ball that we got. There he's angry.
Oh, nice dog, nice dog.
Good doggy.
Well done, that's really good, excellent work. And the other side, does it do?
Yeah.
Well done together. And who is this?
This? Oh, this is MACAULEY.
Well done, MACAULEY. And how long did it take you to build, MACAULEY?
A few hours. We were a few hours early.
Right, well done. Excellent work. And who's this?
Ryan.
And what have you built, Ryan?
Oh no. Wait.
Let's do that bit again. Yeah, the other way.
It depends on which way you pick.
Well done. This is Ryan. And then it can pick up the other direction.
Your man is broken, like trying to move.
Well done, Ryan. Well done.
Hi, my name's Seth, and this is my robot claw from Robot Big Hill Day, and it should presumably pick up things, but I'm not sure if it really wants to. I know. It won't. Here's that one. Then it should be about there.
Well done, Seth.
Destroy the mammoth.
Well done, Seth. Well done. Good building.
One, go. Oh, yours is really slow. Go. Mine and Ryan are the only synchronized. Goes up, I press back. It's no sweet building. Or the wire.
It's really good. Pretty good. Well done.